So why web development? Throughout the populations, there's 48% of world populations are active internet users. And imagine if you have a simple or business proven web applications inside the internet, and then you are able to target just by 1% of the world populations, how much data or how much page view or contents you are able to generate. So it's a very very huge opportunity outside. And then let's go back to 2019. This is what happens in internet, and we have like Google's, which we do a lot of researching, as well as social, Facebook, WeChat, entertainments, YouTube, Netflix, matchmaking, Tinder, work, email, LinkedIn, and there's a lot more applications out. So all of these that start at a very small applications, web applications that start very simple, then only they start improving from that. You can see that how many version changes in Airbnb as well as Facebook, right? So if you have a web applications up, you are able to do a lot or even generate revenues even when you are sleeping. Or for me, is even when I'm sleeping, I will be able to collect a lot of data from my site. So next, what is the career prospect? This is the statistics for mid-career web developers in Malaysia. So if you're able to get experience from 1 year to 2 years, and then you are able to target to around a median of 74,000 annually. So roughly 1 month is around like 5,500 to 6,000, which is a very good package, I would say, for a full stack developer. But this is just the very, if based on the bell curve, it's just at the very left side. And then for startup companies, if they are funded, they are able to hire a full stack developer with a very, very good package. So from here is one of the startup company that we are able to get from the website. They're hiring a senior full stack web developer with an annual income of 100,000 to 140,000. And at the same time, they're offering company equity as well. So you can see that how important and then the demand outside for a full stack developer. And if you are bored of working in an office 9 to 6, you can start working as a freelancer, which I'm doing right now as a data scientist. For a full stack web developer in freelancer.com, 3 to 5 years experience, you can see that the rate charges by hour. And over here, all the charges is in USD. And the minimum one is like 20 to 40 USD per hour, which if you convert it back in Malaysian ringgit, which is a huge amount comparing to Malaysian ringgit. Yes, it's a bit cheap to work as a full stack developer in Malaysia. We are still not on par with the salary package outside, but we can see that the rate and the package getting better and better, and as well as the demand.